Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. Like always on Sundays, I like to actually post how futures are doing, and it looks like we're up pretty big on futures. This is actually the very first time that I've seen the small cap 2000 getting really close on that 2% gain, and the US Tech 100 nearing over a percent, and the US 500 is almost a percent up, which is absolutely insane because futures don't tend to rise this much. And I'm pretty sure it has to do with Biden. I mean, I don't think the stimulus check is approved yet, but I know it got passed and it's going to the House and the office, wherever it's going to get approved, right? So I think there was really good news on stimulus. So I'm pretty sure that's why the markets are rallying. But it does look like it's super green. I've never seen the small cap or the US tech be over a percent. This early on in the futures market right now. So tomorrow, at least for sentiment, it does look like we're going up. But futures and the stock market, you can't really you can't really correlate both of them because they just they're completely different markets, right? But it does look like futures are super green, which is pretty good.